Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Amegy Bank is a regional bank based in Texas, offering a mobile banking app designed to provide users with convenient access to their accounts and a suite of financial services. This video explains how the Amegy Bank mobile app functions, its key features, and user experiences. Mobile phone app overview. The Amegy Bank mobile app is available on both iOS and Android platforms. Users can download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store and log in using their banking credentials. The app's interface is designed to be user-friendly, providing easy navigation to various banking services. Lightbulb key features. Account management. View account balances, transaction history, and manage multiple accounts seamlessly. Money transfers. Send and receive money instantly, including transfers to other banks. Bill payments. Pay utility bills and other services directly through the app without the need to visit a branch. Mobile check deposit. Deposit checks using the app's mobile deposit feature. Card services. Request new cards, manage existing ones, and control card settings. Digital wallet integration. Integrate with Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Click to Pay for contactless payments. Security features. Utilize biometric authentication and receive instant notifications for account activities to ensure account security. Glowing star user experiences. Users have praised the app for its comprehensive features and the convenience it offers. However, some users have reported issues such as login difficulties, app crashes, and delays in customer service responses. For instance, a user mentioned experiencing problems with international transfers and faced challenges in getting timely support from customer care. Another user highlighted difficulties in logging in due to location service errors. Despite these concerns, many users appreciate the app's functionality and the range of services it provides. White heavy checkmark conclusion. The Amegy Bank mobile app offers a robust set of features catering to the needs of its users, from basic account management to advanced financial services. While the app performs well in many areas, user feedback suggests that enhancements in stability and customer support could further improve the user experience. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.